Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maista. If you don't know who I am a game developer on Roblox. I am the creator of the pet game called My Droplets, which has been my obsession for the past 6 years because I've always been interested in making a really cool pet game and I just can't stop working on it regardless of how long it has been unsuccessful. But what really is success? Is it the player count? Is it the revenue that you're earning, or is it the joy along the way? I like to think it's the joy along the way because what are you doing in life if you aren't enjoying it, you know? It just seems to work out for me that it is not successful right now, but hopefully one day we'll get it to a point where it is successful because it is kind of important to earn money and support yourself, but right now it's just all about the grind, but in a good way. I don't like grind culture, but I still enjoy working on the game, if that makes sense. But I'm just rambling. Today I'm going to be fixing some bugs in my droplets. One in particular that I have been struggling with is this issue where interactions aren't cleaning up in players' houses, and so basically players will walk in their house and they'll be sitting in seats in the air and they can't walk around in their house and they're trying to build things but they can't really build anything, which is really not the best experience. It'll probably make players leave the game, but once I fix that, then I gotta fix a lot more other bugs because that's just how it is in the game dev world. Literally, there are never ending bugs and there's nothing you can really do about it. So we're gonna be focusing on fixing more bugs, but luckily I have a team, which is just me and one other game developer. We're getting through it and we're gonna fix all of these bugs and it's going to be amazing. So let's get into this dev vlog. I just got back to my office and I'm very disappointed in the state of my desk. So I want to do some cleaning before I get started with work because otherwise I'm just gonna be very distracted by this mess. Much better. In my droplets, we have a replication system, and basically that means that the interior of the home is created on the client. And so, in order to have interactions that are local but can also be replicated to other clients, I made a replication system, which basically, when a player places a piece of furniture into their home, there is a folder called replication parts, and when I place a piece of furniture, model is added under replication part. And inside of this part here, we can have a variety of functionality for it. So since this is a couch, we've put seats under the part so that players can have a seat. Because if you create a seat on the client, funny little bug, you're basically placed in space in a random location because it was created locally. I don't know all of the information behind that, but it's kind of a funny bug. That's how the replication part system works. And the issue that we were having is I recently made it so that under replication parts, it's a model instead of a part itself. So I had to rearrange the attributes that I was putting into the model. And so the attribute for the owner was placed under the model and not the part. And basically, in order to remove the replication parts when the player leaves the game, I checked to see if the part had the owner ID the same in the attributes as the player's user ID. So when I moved it into the model, it no longer identified the part to have the owner ID, thus it made the furniture replication not clean up, if that makes any sense. So today I launched the fix for the furniture bug, and hopefully players will have a lot easier of a time trying to decorate their home. Right now we're out about 12 players, which is pretty good because for the past few days it's been hovering around 7. Oh no, we have 16 players playing the game. That's really good. That's double what usually is there. So I'm pretty proud of that. So there's this platform that we use to organize the bugs that we have in the game. Right now we have 18 open bugs and features that we want to fix and improve in the game. And we've also fixed a ton. As you can see, there's 100 complete tasks here, which are compiled of mostly bugs that needed to be fixed, which is amazing. Like I said, the bugs keep coming, so we just kind of have to keep grinding through this list so that we can eventually add new content to the game, because that is my dream. I would love to just be added new content and making the game amazing in that way. So yeah. By the way, this platform is called ClickUp if you are interested in using it for your team and for your game development. It's not the best for like, I would say solo development, and I'm sorry if you can hear that beeping in the background. It's just something outside. Yeah, this is a great platform for teamwork. If you want something for like solo work, I would suggest Notion. So once I get all of the bugs fixed in my droplets, my next big goal is to improve the roleplay experience. And I have a few ideas, but I'm wondering if you all can go play my droplets and let me know if you have any ideas of how I could improve the game. And then you could leave it in the comments below so that we can all have a big discussion on how we can make my droplets take over the world and also Roblox. If that is something that you could do for me, that would be great. We have this sometimes bug that is going on right now where the droplet space doesn't load in and it's kind of creepy. So I want to fix this one right now, but it might take a while because, you know, this is a sometimes bug and I can't replicate it myself and I have no idea what's going on. Maybe something's not loading in and then it fails to load in the faces and stuff, but we'll figure it out. This is a bug report that I posted a little bit ago that has to do with the issue with images not showing up. So here's a sample of what's going on. The droplet's eyes kind of disappear, and then when I click on the eyes in the Explorer, the eyes pop up again. So something weird is happening with the engine and I can't really fix it myself. So I just have to find workarounds right now in order to have my game function, but that's okay. I'll be patient with Roblox fixing this issue because it seems kind of complicated. So here I've just deleted the sprites for the faces and got rid of them. And then I'm reloading in the face here. I'm doing it every 10 seconds, which might be really frequent. We'll see how this affects the game, but I'm gonna test this out now. So it doesn't look like it's cleaning up the existing face. It's just deleting the sprite, so we're gonna have to delete the images as well. So we just added this code here that deletes the frame when we reset the face. So we're gonna see if that works. I haven't touched this code in a while, so it seems that the frame actually isn't under the sprite and I have to figure out where exactly the frame is. We also have to reset the face and what the face is. So I think we have something called last eyes ID and last mouth ID, and then we can just copy that and put it in. So it definitely worked, but it's a little bit jittery right now, I guess I would say. Like there's a frame where the eyes are blank and it doesn't look great, so that kind of sucks, but it's what we have to work with for now because I am pretty sure this is a Roblox bug. Hello, sit. Yeah. Good morning. That's all you gotta say? Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. And if you are already subscribed, thank you for contributing to the 5,000 that we have reached recently. And if you do have any ideas to improve my droplets, please let me know in the comments below, and I hope you all have a good day.